Welcome to the Morning Gratitude Christmas Calendar. Today we will focus on Gary Chapman's love language, acts of service, which is one of the 5 love languages he talks about and focuses on feeling loved when people do practical things for you, such as cleaning, taking care of the kids, buying groceries, and so on. So find a comfortable meditation posture and then close your eyes. Take a moment to calm your mind and body before we start. So inhale deeply and exhale fully. Breathing in cleansing fresh air and breathing out sleepiness and drowsiness. One last time, breathe in deeply and breathe out fully. Continue to breathe calmly and slowly. Just relax and enjoy the meditation. Now focus on someone you love. This can be your spouse, your child, a friend, or parent. Choose someone you care deeply about and who loves you. Then think about the different practical things this person does for you that makes you happy and makes you feel loved. Perhaps you really appreciate how they always cook dinner for you after you both come home from a long busy day at work. Or perhaps they make sure to do the laundry so that you never run out of clean socks. Perhaps they once cleaned the entire house just to surprise you and make you happy. Or perhaps they never think twice about doing some of your chores if you feel tired and exhausted. Recall those fond memories and remember how it made you feel. Feel the love in your heart and know that they are doing these things because they love you and care about you. So receive their love and let it fill your heart. We should never take the small things people do for us for granted, but learn to appreciate it and realize how amazing it is to have that special person in our lives. So fill your heart with love and recreate those feelings of affection. Allow those heartwarming memories to live once again, reborn in the present moment with all their joyful emotions. What a perfect feeling a feeling of true happiness. Now take a deep breath and then slowly open your eyes. How do you feel? Keep this feeling of love and appreciation in your heart and learn to see all the little things people do for you just because they love you. Please share a special memory in the comments field below. Thanks for watching. I am JBittersweet, and I will see you in the next video. Namaste.